Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 websites that you can use to make money. I mean, you can earn money from this website. So first off, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so you don't miss out on my future videos. So without wasting your time, let's get started. The first website I want to show you is called GoTranscript.com. So GoTranscript.com will pay you if you provide them transcription services. So this is a website that provides 100% human generated services. So it provides you $0.77 per minute for transcriptions, and for captions it provides you $1.11 per minute, and if you do translation it would provide you $0.06 per word, and for foreign subtitles it provides you $8.50 per minute. So that's a huge amount. So you can do transcription work here, and then you can sign up on this website. So you can see it is a very authentic website. Here you can see GoTranscript services review, and you can see the GoTranscript benefits, customer loyalty discount, 100% happy guarantee. So you can check out the website. It's so amazing to know about how you can earn money from this website. As you can see the turnaround time at 5-day service price $0.90 per minute, and customer loyalty program $0.77 per minute, etc. So you can just check out this website. According to an estimate from GoTranscript.com, you can earn up to $1,200 per month from this website. Alright, now let's go to our second website, which is called Proofreading.com. So Proofreading.com is a expert editors website that provides editing services. So you can become a proofreader on this website, and then you can earn money from this website. Now let's go to our third website, which is called userlytics.com. So it is a website that improves customer satisfaction and user experience. So you can apply, get paid to test, then you can become a userlytics and you can earn money from this website. Alright, the fourth website I want to show you is called SecondtoNone.com. This website will pay you if you are a mystery shopper. So you can earn a lot of money by doing this. You can earn money if you are living in UK or Canada, and you can see who delivers that. Mystery shopping improves speed of service, leading to Starbucks of 16% year-over-year revenue increase. So if you are a mystery shopper, head over to secondtonone.com and start earning money now. Now let's go to our fifth website, which is called 𝗙cie.com. So 𝗙cie.com pays you if you upload your photos and videos on 𝗙cie.com. So every time someone buys your photos, you will earn 50% commission. So as you know, photos and videos are so expensive, so you can earn a lot of money by doing this. Alright, upload your photos on 𝗙cie.com and start earning money now. So these were the 5 websites I wanted to share with you. By using these websites you can earn a lot of money. So I hope this video is very useful for you. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, take care.